Assalamu alaikum. I am your host Aisha, and as usual I am taking interview the students, and today I have another student, so I will ask his opinion about the problems of Karachi. So Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Zubair.
Walaikum assalam.
So how are you?
I'm totally fine. What about you, Mario?
I am also fine. As you know, there are lots of problems in Karachi. So my very first question to you: why is life of Karachi city unbelievably complicated?
Actually, it's a very good question that you can see there isn't anywhere love and affection. You won't find these things. People have forgotten their moral values. They just think about their own selves. They do not think about others. They just want happiness for themselves. I think that's the big reason for this.
Yes, I am agree with you. We always think about ourselves. So now, how is earning lots of money in Karachi city is incredibly hard?
Actually, the thing is that before I think 20 to 30 years, people just come in Karachi for earning a lot of money because they think it is a city for fortunate people. But now everyone wants to go to other cities because they want their life saved.
Yeah.
So the main thing is that the circumstances of Karachi is not good. That's why we can't earn single penny.
Yeah. Yes. So why don't people of Karachi have moral support for others?
Actually, they do not love themselves. They have become so selfish. That's why they do not have moral values for others. If they want a happy life for themselves and for others, so for this they want moral support.
Yeah.
They need moral support.
Do you support morally to others?
Yeah, of course, I always willing to support and I always try my best to support others.
So I have a very interesting question. What have you always wanted to see in Karachi?
Actually, the thing that I want in Karachi is peace and humble everywhere. But I think I can't see in my life. It will be difficult. We do not have any opportunity to see this thing. I'm not hopeful about this.
Yes. Another question is, when will we happily sit back and see no killings in Karachi? It's a very interesting question. When I think everybody wants to give the answer of this question.
Actually, I think it won't happen. But if we stand together and if we fought against bad things, so inshallah we can see there won't be any sort of killings in Karachi, because in Karachi it's a peace for fortunate people. If we can't love others, we can't respect others, so we can't see these things. It will be happen if we just try to give respect to others.
Yeah, it's very necessary to respect others first. Then, when were you last hopeless?
I was hopeless when I haven't got admission in the university.
So
where
how
I
did you overcome this?
I overcome this by the help of my friends. They just influenced me not to worry about this. Inshallah, I will get better opportunity in future. So I just kept on this.
Yeah, and our Karachi people are always hopeless about the things.
They should overcome about their problems.
Yeah. How should people of Karachi cope with the problems?
Actually, if you think that people want to cope their problems, so they need moral support from them, their family, and also they need that hope inside themselves. If they think they can do, so they can do. If they think they can't do, so they can't do.
It's very difficult to cope with the problems, but don't be stuck. Do yourself better. What do you think of those people who do their things properly?
Actually, I haven't saw those the people are you talking about. I haven't saw these sort of people who do their things properly.
Okay, do you do your work properly?
I can't say that I do always, but sometimes, and I'm always willing to do. But less I got opportunities to do my work properly.
Yes.
But there may be some people who are so professional about their work and they do their work properly. If there are these sort of people, hats off to them. and they are the legend.
Yeah. Okay, what bothers you a lot in this atmosphere of Karachi? What?
Yeah, in Karachi, I think everything bothers me, from electricity to the fare of bus,
Yeah.
everything. Because I think the main problems faces by the students. They do not go along to their college because of the circumstances, and this era. Another things are the heavy traffic. They have a fear of accident, and these sort of so many things which bothers me, and the electricity. You can see.
Before you see the Karachi city is the city of lightning, but no, there is no electricity. How can we say that the city of lightning?
It was a city of light,
Yeah.
but not anymore.
Inshallah,
in
it will be
future.
it will be the yes. Okay, now my next question is a very interesting question. Why are Americans and British society so lucky in living standard?
That's, I think, a very good
Yeah.
question, and I admire this question almost. The thing is that the people of the British people and American people, they have a respect of law. Their people have enforced the law everywhere. Everyone do their things properly, and because they have a fear of penalty if they broke any sort of rule. But here in Pakistan, no one cares about the rules. They think rules are meant to be broken, but that's not like that. If we want to live happily like the British people
British
live, we should follow our Islamic rules.
Yeah.
Because they are not, Muslims, but they just follow our own rules, like
Yeah.
Islamic rules. So we should follow our rules, inshallah.
Yeah,
We will become happily like
we
that.
will become happily like that. So now it's ending of the schedule. He gave me the very good, nice answer of this question. So in last, thank you so much. And in last, I just want to say that live and let others live. Thank you.